all you beautiful people. You smell fantastic today. Most of you. I think Camo Dave's watching too, but hope you're having a great, happy November, happy Friday, everybody. It's still dry so far, still sunny, still shorts and a t-shirt. I'm loving it. And I gotta actually show you this campsite because it's pretty cool. Having a Class C can really pay off. These are very small sites here, okay? But my back tires are all the way against the curb and I got the hangover going on. But I fit in a 16-foot slot. That's awesome. Beautiful view of the water out there, a barbecue grill, power, a picnic table. There's just so much beauty here. Still in Wisconsin, by the way. Not sure if I mentioned that. We're here in Wisconsin, Mississippi River on the other side of the Great River Road there. And we're gonna go explore more of it. I gotta share one quick thing with you though. Now can I first just point out, I think Christmas really gets gypped because if you start decorating early, before Thanksgiving, people are like, what are you doing? It's not even Thanksgiving yet. Yet, on January 1st, you start seeing Easter decorations 4 months in advance. Halloween, easily people start setting up in August, months ahead. But Christmas gets gypped. So once Halloween is over, I leap into Christmas. I do. I got my Christmas wreath on the front like I do every year. Got my Christmas lights, battery operated. Got a new bell bow thing here, all zip tied to the front. And no, it doesn't cause any radiator problems, overheating. There's plenty of room here and here. Do this every year. But that's not it. I also decorated inside. I got some stockings hung and my Christmas tree and lights and all of my decorations that I have acquired on the road. Oh yeah. Judge me all you want. I love Christmas. I love it. It gets me so excited. I am gonna probably miss this campground more than others. It was simply gorgeous and beautiful. I would stay here weeks and probably not get bored of it. It's beautiful. So anyway, well, we do have to move on. There's lots more to see on the Great River Road. Giving Dad the cold shoulder, Jex? That's what it looks like. Oh, what a gorgeous day, guys. You know what's funny? I used to think when I first started traveling that I would only like to stick to the coast because I'm such a water guy, ocean guy. But this Mississippi River just proves that I can find so much joy inside, way inland of the United States. So I'm just really, really happy with this trip. It is feeding my soul exactly what it wants to eat, that's for sure. Watch out, there's a bump, Jex. Okay, you okay? Poor little guy. You're so sensitive. You're so sensitive, man. All right. And this is Prairie Moon. I like that little rock castle right there. That's pretty neat. The rest of this, I don't know. It's got a flagpole like it's like the green, a golfing green or something. So the sign said Prairie Moon, art, sculpture, and museum closed. I think it just means the museum's closed. You can still walk around and look at what's outdoors. There you can see Prairie Moon, that's the museum. Look at this place. What great detail here. That they got shells inside there. Wow. So maybe in the summertime this place is packed with some picnickers. This is different, huh? And so maybe because we are in Fountain City, we'll see a lot of fountains. This one doesn't have any water in it right now, but that's cool. I'll just let you know, there's no plaques anywhere on any piece of art out here, so I don't know if it's open to interpretation or if there's a story behind some of these. Like maybe this warrior is famous for killing a bear with a knife? I'm not sure. Ooh, how you doing? All right, Prairie Moon, you keep staying weird. I got dinosaurs and everything over there. I'm hungry and I need to come up with some lunch plans. Maybe we'll eat in town today. So let me ask you think it would be scary living at the bottom of a hill that has monstrous rocks at the top that could fall down at any time and crush you in your house? It's happened before. Introducing the rock in the house. Are they open? I don't know. Wow, wow. Closed for the season. But I think we can still look around. Oh boy. So back in 1995, a 55-ton boulder came barreling down this hillside while a couple was sleeping in this house right here. And it crashed into their bedroom and it's still here. It killed the wife. They were both in the same bed, killed the wife. The husband survived. This 55-ton boulder. Obviously, he decided against keeping the house, so he sold the house. A realtor bought the house and left it exactly as the boulder came in. Is that creepy or what? Just left it there. And now it's kind of a tourist attraction. Something to see. It's pretty spooky, though. I feel like if I survived that, but somebody laying next to me in bed didn't, and there must be an angel watching over me. That's incredible. I wonder if there's a museum when they're open. Right now it just says closed, so I don't know what there would be here. Maybe a boulder magnet? Well, I feel like I didn't get to say a proper goodbye to Minnesota, so I'm going to leave Wisconsin on the Great River Road, and we're going to go try the Great River Road back in Minnesota for a little bit. Mostly because down here in Wisconsin, down here at La Crosse, I was just there, I don't know, three months ago or something like that. So I've already covered that area. That's where the six-pack, world's largest six-pack, and the king, and the creepy blue baby, and the egg and stuff. So since I've already done video of that, let's go back to Minnesota and do that part of the Great River Road instead. That took several minutes to cross the Mississippi River now. It's getting huge. That's what she said. So now it's a 2-lane, 65-mile-an-hour speed limit, and you can probably see the water over on our left side now. So it's just different. I don't know. I haven't seen any parks to stop at, but I will keep an eye out for anything interesting along the way. Well, I've just stopped here in Dean, Minnesota. No, Dean, it's different, I think. Not that Dean, Martin. Introducing. He diverts culverts in a single bound. I give you Dean Culvert Man. Sounds like a muffler man, but completely constructed out of different size culvert material. Kinda resembles the Tin Man. Look at that cowboy hat made out of culvert pieces. I like that. Nice piece of advertising. Honestly, why don't more businesses do that? It's just gonna drive people in. It's fun advertising. It's quirky. Quirky. I don't know if you guys hear that faint bell sound. That's what it's coming from. Every time the wind moves that just a little bit, you hear a little bit of bell. That'd be annoying in high winds. I didn't plan poorly, but I'm not finding any campgrounds on this side of the Mississippi, so we may have to cross back over just to camp, and then we'll see. I actually decided against going back into Wisconsin just because I didn't want to go back through a city I've been. I decided to go a little bit farther away from the river, actually, to see something new and interesting. And so I made it out here to Spring Grove, Minnesota, which is supposedly well known for Norwegian heritage. And I've got some Norwegian in me, so thought I'd go look around. Also thought I might even boondock here, do some urban boondocking, because this street has no lines or restrictions. So, and the sign only says no truck parking. Well, guess what? I'm not a truck, I'm an RV. So I don't know. It's actually been a while since I've done any city boondocking. What do you call that? Urban camping. Urban camping. I love that word. I haven't done a whole lot of it, so maybe we'll do that here. Wow, Spring Grove is pretty cool. Here at the Welcome Center, I found this little map with a little key here. In the key area, they have an overnight parking logo. So back up, look at this map, and right over here by Trollskagen Park, apparently you can overnight camp, park. Thanks, Spring Grove. I'll look around here and then move it on over there where the approved spot's at. Willkommen. Welcome. And 1981 is when they established this post. That's the year I was born. Awesome. I'm sure they're closed. Oh yeah, they're locked. All right, here, so you got Mons Flagger, is the father of Spring Grove. Also a kitty cat. And this is titled Quest. Craig Bergesard here, the Viking, the Norwegian Viking. Oh my gosh, guys. They are officially welcoming Nomadic Fanatic here. We are greeted by a troll. A real-life troll. Belly by Budweiser. How did they know? Oh my gosh. That is fantastic. Look at his beard. Look at the troll's beard. Absolutely hysterical. Belly by Budweiser. Oh my gosh. See now, taking the chance, the unknown, actually paid off. Well, I mean, the entire Great River Road is the unknown to me, but I've been in La Crosse, so taking this chance is well worth it. Here at the park, they have some information saying that it's $15 a night with electric, but they don't have any forms or envelopes, and the power is locked up for the season, so my best judgment tells me that the park is not closed, because it doesn't have hours listed, it doesn't say closed, there's no gate or anything. But my best judgment is that dry camping might be for free in the city when it's off season. That's all I can know. It's after 5 o'clock, so I can't call City Hall and find out. But I really like this park. They have running water and a bathroom and a dump station. And I think I hear a river. I think I do. If there's a river down there, I don't see it. I don't see a way to get down there. So no, but this is really nice. Today was another really good day. I don't get it, man. Had an awesome day. Jackson and I had fun. You guys have a great weekend, and we will see you back on the Great River Road heading south on Monday morning. Good night, guys.